Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about apricots, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you that should help you out when you're using apricots. The list is very long. I've broken it up into 3 parts, and so this is part 1. I'll have links to the others below. Add some sliced apricots to hot or cold cereal. Whatever it is, it should work. Add chopped apricots to pancake batter. Why not? Something different. Add diced apricots to chicken dishes or vegetable stews. Add diced apricots to a green salad. Apricots can be used in most recipes that call for peaches or nectarines, so if you're wanting to try something a little different, pick out a recipe you're familiar with and substitute apricots in there. Apricots work well in a lot of savory dishes, including those made with lamb or poultry. It's helpful to know that fresh apricots will turn dark after being cut. So to help keep their color, if you have to cut them up early, dip the pieces in a solution of water and citrus or pineapple juice, and that should help to keep the color for you. Most recipes using fresh apricots don't call for peeling them. If you need to remove the peel, the skins can be removed pretty easily. Just dip them in some boiling water for 20 seconds, that's all. And then quickly transfer them to a bowl of ice water. And once they chill down, the skin should peel off very easily. Now, if you have dried apricots and they've gotten really hard and extra chewy, you can revive them by adding a little bit of moisture to them. And you can do this in the microwave or on the stove, your preference. For the microwave, place your hard dried apricots on a microwave safe dish. Sprinkle just a little bit of water on them, just a matter of drops on them, really, just a little bit. Cover them up with another dish or a paper towel or something like that. Microwave them on high in 1-minute increments. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes max, but we're doing just small bursts at a time. You can even try 30 seconds at a time. Check them often for their pliability, and once they become as soft as you want them to be, then take them out, allow them to cool down, and use them as you would. You just want to be careful so that you don't cook them or over soften them. On the stove, your dried apricots can be steamed until they're soft. Again, it won't take very long. You can check them often. Remove them when they're at the right texture for your use. And if you don't want to use any appliance, you don't need to. You can just put your overly dried apricots in a bowl of hot water. Watch them carefully. When they are the texture you want them to be, take them out, pat them dry, and then use them as you intend to use them. Well, I do hope this helps, and remember to stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 on these tips and ideas for apricots. Take care now. Bye.